Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why, N. Riddle is a pureblood feared witch. She is the cursed child of Tom Riddle, or otherwise known as Lord Voldemort. She went to Azkaban when she was young for 5 years until she was proven innocent, but was she? Why, N. can shift into a 7-foot-tall creature but is not an animagus.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Why, N is the granddaughter of Dumbledore, but one day her parents killed by Voldemort. Only family Y, N had left was your grandfather who took you in. Why, N grew up her life with only her grandfather at Hogwarts, but soon the school staff became her new family.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Third person. In the Harry Potter series, the story is relayed to the audience via an extra-diegetic narrator, a detached third-person observer close to the action, but in no point involved in it. Heterodiegetic.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.